best exercise bikes. In this video, we'll present you a short buying guide together with a list of the best exercise bikes in 2021 to help make your buying decision easier. Exercise bikes have been available on the market for decades. They represent an accessible alternative to the gym and a hassle-free way of getting rid of those extra pounds. Usually, the cheaper ones have basic features like a configurable workout resistance and a couple of programming options. Mid-range ones are better built, make less noise, and feel more solid. And the higher-end ones expect to have more advanced features like more accurate and detailed computer, preset workout programs, user profiles, and a longer warranty along with several resistance levels. There are a few features that are a must for every exercise bike, like adjustable seat and handlebars, adjustable resistance, water bottle holder, display, and many other features that'll help make your exercise more enjoyable. Whether you're looking for the best of the best or just the most affordable option, you'll find it on this list. If you want to know which one will suit you best, stick around. If you want to find out more information and the prices on the products mentioned in this list, check the description below. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Belt Drive. The Sunny Health and Fitness cycle bikes have a good reputation from a company with a wide range of well-regarded exercise bikes. The Magnetic Belt Drive cycle bike has a heavy-duty steel frame and stabilizer bars to provide a good solid base for all intense workouts. It'll support people that weigh up to 300 pounds. If your floor is a little uneven, there are 4 levelers, one at each end of the stabilizer bars that can be used to even up the bike and stop it from rocking when in use. Sunny recommends the bike for people with a leg inseam from 28 to 38 inches. It measures from the top of the inner thigh to the bottom of the foot. Magnetic resistance creates an unbelievably smooth and near silent ride, helping you achieve a better cardio and metabolic fitness routine. The incredible 44-pound flywheel promotes improved physical fitness training and strength training, utilizing a low-impact cycling machine. Increase the micro-adjustable resistance, challenging your legs to really feel the burn as you push against the 44-pound flywheel. All in all, it's a great way to maximize your physical fitness routine with the SFB 1805 Magnetic Indoor Cycle Bike from Sunny Health and Fitness. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our upcoming videos. At number 2, we recommend the NordicTrack Commercial S22i. The Commercial S22i Studio Cycle is NordicTrack's latest revolution. Its iFit-enabled 22-inch Smart HD touchscreen allows you to bring energizing atmosphere of a studio spin bike class to your home. Just hop on, turn into a spin class video, and ride towards your fitness goals alongside world-class iFit trainers and other spinners around the world. You can easily distinguish the S22i from the cheaper S15i because of its 22-inch screen. The S15i has a smaller 14-inch screen, but other components of the two bikes are identical. These features include non-slip multi-position handlebars, 22 levels of digital resistance, power incline and decline, and settings from 10 degrees to 20 degrees with pedals and cages. Both models are also compatible with standard road bike pedals and seats. Other key features of both bikes include wireless telemetry and iPod-compatible speaker systems. We also love that both bikes include a set of 3-pound dumbbells for upper body workouts. With a large rotating touchscreen, an automatic incline and resistance control system, and a vast library of global rides, the NordicTrack S22i is one of the most feature-rich smart stationary bikes on the market and the best way to train indoors for real-world cycling adventures. At number 3 is the Lanos Folding Exercise Bike. This compact exercise bike offers 10 levels of magnetic tension, providing the freedom to choose the intensity of the workout you prefer. A tension knob will allow you to challenge yourself to see how far you can go in your workout. The versatility of this lightweight exercise bike is another compelling reason to choose it over other models. You can use it as an upright, recumbent, or semi-stationary bike. Regardless of which one you choose, you can be confident that its performance will be top-notch. Lanos bike will help increase your heart rate, burn calories faster, and enhance your aerobic fitness level. The reclined recumbent position is more comfortable and easier to mount and dismount, especially if you have joint issues. You'll feel less fatigue and soreness in your muscles. It has a decent precision balanced flywheel that helps with quieter and smoother operation. It'll not disturb your music, TV, or your conversations on the phone. You can feel safe and stable on its sturdy frame during your exercise session. It's solid and durable with a maximum user weight capacity of 330 pounds, and it can be folded to half the size easily by simply pulling the knob for easy storage. It comes with transportation wheels underneath so you can move it around easily. This bike is an excellent option in comparison to the price tag it has. We hope you enjoy our selection of products so far. If you'd like to see us review other products, let us know in the comments down below. At number 4 is the Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Right out of the box, this Exerputic stationary bike is ready to use. Within a few minutes, you're ready to take it for a spin. Even if your workout is intense, you'll feel comfortable while riding this exercise bike. One of the reasons is for the large seat cushion. With the adjustments you can make, it can comfortably accommodate users with heights ranging from 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. Meanwhile, the maximum weight it can support is 300 pounds. It has a large LCD screen that'll be easy to monitor the status or progress of your workout. The basic digital display will show your heart rate, calories burned, time, speed, and distance, along with other vital information. You'll also like how quiet the bike is, making it an ideal option for small living spaces. This is a result of having a balanced flywheel and magnetic resistance. The V-belt drive also helps in keeping the noise at a minimum. The Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike with Pulse can be folded up and rolled away when you're done exercising. We highly recommend this bike if you have limited space in your apartment or house. It has all the features you need in an exercise bike, and it's easy to transport. Enjoy your fitness time with the Exerputic exercise bike. At number 5 is the JLL Fitness JF100. JLL has a fantastic reputation for developing some of the best indoor exercise bikes of all time. Whether you're looking for a cycling, upright, or recumbent indoor exercise bike, the likelihood is you'll come across one of JLL's products. The JF100 is unique in the respect that it features complete 360-degree adjustable handlebars and features toe cages on each pedal, which allows you to strap your feet in comfortably. The seat is a large heart-shaped padded seat that can be adjusted to your height. The JLL JF100 incorporates a simple electronic display that illustrates all of your key workout stats. The stats include pulse, calories burned, speed, time elapsed, and distance. It not only gives you an appreciation of your workout progress, but it also helps maintain workout intensity and motivation. The bike has 10 resistance levels. Therefore, whether you're an experienced exercise bike user or just a beginner, this bike can be adjusted to your individual fitness level. JLL created a true masterpiece with the JF100. Not only is it a top-rated exercise bike filled with features, but it's highly rated among consumers and comes in at a perfect price for a beginner or intermediate rider who wants to stay fit without going to the gym. And there you have it, the best 5 exercise bikes on the market today. If you found the one that meets your needs and your budget, check out the link in the description box and catch it at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when we come out with new videos. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, right here at the ReviewTube channel.